the container because before our dinner we have some time. We wanted to walk around downtown and show you guys a little bit of what's going on. So inside the container, when you come down Fremont Street all the way almost to the container park. Thank you. Yeah, so when you come in there, there's a bunch of stores and really cute bars, and then they always, most of the time they have live music or they have a DJ, and it's really fun. So we're excited to show you guys more.
Of the net performance for us, making sure I'm saying the right thing.
And obviously you want to hold it smooth. I mean, it does a good job, but it's not perfect.
Abby, yeah.
Once again, grab yourself a raffle ticket. Make sure you check in with the Silver Knights. Through Las Vegas, right underneath the Maroon Tower, has a bunch of amazing prizes. Hundreds of dollars given away today in prizes. Tickets to amazing shows, packages, tickets to go see the Silver Knights play hockey. Get yourself a ticket. Become a fiend for those tickets.